Hey, let me show you how you can fix your battery life on the POCO X6 Pro. So first of all, let's see how many time we have. As you can see now, I have 19 hours for the remaining time. And we are going to check the comparison when we actually change every options. So first of all, I can recommend you to go into the display and the brightness and enable the dark mode. Let's turn it on, there we go. Also, I can recommend you to turn on the automatic brightness and go into the refresh rate and change it manually to the 60 Hz. Now let's go back. And from here we have to remove the annual user experience. So we have to go into the screen lock, then go into the privacy. And from here we have to turn off this option, the annual in the user experience program. So turn it off, and now thanks to this we will not send the automatic data and all the stuff to the Xiaomi. Also, I can wait a minute, when you go for the usage and the diagnostics, I can also recommend you to turn off this function. So this usage and diagnostics and the user experience program is actually sending a lot of data over the Wi-Fi and in the mobile data in the background. So when you turn it off, you will definitely save your battery life. Next, we have to navigate into the apps. So we have to open all apps. It's actually right here. Then we have to go to the manage apps and take a look for the background applications. As you can see, in my case, there's like 4 apps that can start in the background. So we have to manually turn them off. Next, we'll go to turn off the always on display. And this function we can actually find on the lock screen. And here, okay, for some reason I cannot find it, so let me just manually input always on display. Always, there we go. It's actually on the wallpaper and the customization, and turn off the always on display. Next, we'll have to also turn off the location. So turn it off with the switcher, tap close. Now we have to turn off the haptic vibration, so it will be actually located in the sound and vibration. And here, turn off all the haptic vibrations. And next we are going to the notification and the status bar, and you will have to turn off all the notifications from the lock screen. So select don't show lock screen notifications. And now at the end, I can also recommend you to change the screen timeout. So go to the display and the brightness, and from here we have to locate the screen timeout, but it's actually not visible right here, so I guess it will be in the lock screen. Yeah, there we go. Click on it and then turn it off. Also, turn off the wallpaper carousel by clicking here. Click that you are sure. Okay, select no thanks, and now it's turned off. So let's see how many remaining time we have right now. Okay, now we got the remaining time the same, but we have to also turn off for the balance, and there we go. Now, as you can see, we save some time. And when you go into the additional features, yeah, we got the battery checkup. So from here you can actually get some suggestions like this, and you can add another 15 minutes. There we go. So as you can see, that's how it looks. That's how you can actually increase the battery life on your POCO X6 Pro. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.